We're right up to our eyeballs in projects. So we did the right thing and brought home another project. We've actually had it for a while, but the planets aligned yesterday and we were able to bring it home. So I want to introduce you to the new project and explain a little bit about it. And we're going to work on it as well. Stick around. I'm Mike, and you are watching mykarsshop. Well, there she is. What we have here is a 1978 Dodge D200. D means two-wheel drive. Crew cab, long box. We call it the land yacht. Not sure what its official name is going to be. I'm working on that. But here she is. I've talked about this before. It has issues, and we're going to get some tissues today. I need this to be able to roll. I don't even want to show you inside because it's disgusting. It's housed animals forever. All of this stuff is easy. That'll buff right out. So I'm not worried about that. Little rocker rust. We're not going to do much with that. We're missing a cowl vent. Not too worried about that. The roof has been fixed properly, so that's good. So we don't have to worry about that. But the bones of the project are pretty good. The only thing that's not good is the floor, because there basically isn't one. But I need to get wheels and tires on it. I actually have 4 more wheels and tires in the back, so we have some we can put on the front. Those are good wheels and tires. And this is a big block truck. If I can get it open. You guys, in my hands, it's hard. There we go. Bird bath hood, and there was birds taking a bath. I believe it's a 400, if I remember right. It's supposed to run. We'll see. Going to attempt to do something about that soon too. I've never even tried. I hope there's a starter on it. Yeah. Why am I looking on that side? I don't know. Yes, there's a starter on it, so hopefully the starter's good. I saw a starter in the truck. That's why I was questioning it. 404 barrel, and let's see if we can find the sticker. I thought the sticker was here somewhere on it. I didn't realize this truck had air conditioning. Let's see if the motor spins. Oh, it spins easy. Yeah, we're fine. We're fine. Wonder what the oil looks like. Look at that. It's got oils we haven't even used yet. So that'll be good. It's thick as tar. Come on, get in there. That's doing well. I like it. Oh yeah, look at that. No water in it. Actually, the oil doesn't feel too bad. We might fire it on that. This is another junkyard acquisition. It was running and driving when it came in. I don't remember how many years ago it came in. I've had it. It's been set aside for me for 2 years. Probably close to 2 years. So the ultimate goal for this project, let me spin you around. The goal for this project is ultimately a 12-valve Cummins with an NV4500 transmission behind it. I'm not intending to do all kinds of body and paint work. I just want to drive the dumb thing. We're going to drive it with the big block in it for a while if it runs good. I will go ahead and, beat out some of the big dents, so it reasonably resembles a facsimile of a truck. But I don't intend to do much. I've got the 2002 over there. I got the interior in that, which is beautiful. I'm gonna put that in here because this interior is disgusting to say the least. I didn't realize that trim was there. We have almost all the trim then. Although the back seat doesn't look too bad, I'm sure it smells beautiful. The front seat is really shredded over there. The back of the truck, I think there's a big hole in the floor of the bed up in here somewhere, if I remember right. Bumper's decent. It's got a nice big hitch on it. If anybody needs a carpet cleaner, there's some carpet cleaners up there. So I don't know. It is what it is. Oh, it does have clamps on it. Okay, I wasn't sure if it had clamps on it or not. This topper is beauteous. Okay, so let's see what we need here. We need a rotor, which I have. We need the wheel bearings. I believe I have both of those. Oh, look, the seals here. We're in good shape there. So we basically need to clean all the big rocks out of here and get the rotor back on there, and then we can get the, what am I trying to say? We can get the wheel back on it. Obviously a lot to do, but you know, looks like it even has an exhaust system on it. Yeah, it does, sort of. Cool. Is it dual? Yeah, it's dual exhaust. Cool. I think the place to start is to go get a wire wheel and clean that all up. So let's do that. Okay. Bearing won't actually look too bad. I can't remember if I bought both bearings or just the one. So glad to see that the nut is here. So I was thinking I was going to have to find a spindle nut. And what happened was the outer bearing failed and the wheel fell off. I left the inner bearing behind, and etc. etc. So okay, I'm going to get a tool to get this off of here, and then we'll get those bearings out of there and we can clean it up some more. I'll be back when I got that done. Okay, whew, man, that was a job of work. But we got this one done. This wheel is, I think, got a stuck brake. It rolls, but it's really hard. And this was a nightmare. And for some freaking reason, I lost the cage for the, I don't know what happened to it when I was banging on it, because I couldn't get the race off from the bad bearing. I was beating, and I lost the nut, and I lost the washer, and I lost the cage. I found the nut in the washer. Can't find the cage, so I'll have to just find a cage for that. That's inch and size is that? I think it's an inch and 5/16, if I remember right. That seems big. I don't know. Anyway, I'll find a cage for it. But there's the race right there. So anyway, now I did something else. I haven't done anything except put it in. I have no idea what's going to happen. I'm not intending to start it. I'm just curious if it's going to go whoa, whoa, whoa. So let's see if it goes whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't know what's going to happen. That battery could be dead. I don't know. Boy, that thing has some wonderful smells in it. I'm telling you what. I didn't check this battery. It was on the charger, but my charger quit, so it's very possible that this battery's deader than a hammer. Where's our starter relay? Right there. Okay, well, that doesn't work, but let's get something else. See what we got here. Yeah, this will work. Huh, that's got a unique starter relay in it, not like the normal ones that you can just short. Oh, that's part of it. Wire was off on from the ignition thing. So yeah, I can't short this one like I could most. Let me get a thing to test this. Gonna jump the relay, and I remembered this thing isn't in park. That's probably why it wouldn't crank. Okay, it wasn't that. Let's well, we either have a bad starter or the motor's seized up. I'm not sure which way to go on that. It's definitely one of those things. I'm guessing it's a bad starter because we're not getting anything here now, unless we lost our connection. For a split second, it was trying. Now it's not doing anything, so I don't know. I didn't put a voltmeter on that. Not sure. Could be that the brushes are hung up in the starter now. Let me test a couple things. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this down in there or not, but we're going to try our best. Yeah, I got it in there. Problem is I can't get it on there. Go underneath and see what I can do. Motor's stuck. How bad it's stuck, I don't know. It might not be that bad. I have no idea how long this has been sitting. I will find out. I know the guy that owned it passed. He drove it to the junkyard, though, before he passed. So I know people who know the story behind it. So I will find out more information. And once I know more and confirm some of these things, I'm going to guess that at some point I'm going to do a will it run on this, and can we get it to run after being stuck and sitting for X number of years. I've only done I've done two of those. I did a 2-hour movie on the Golden Mullet. That thing was stuck. Oh my goodness, that motor was stuck. And I did a will it run on a Buick Riviera for a friend of mine. That thing had been parked for 5 or 10 years. And we also broke loose the 413, which was stuck. We didn't get that to run because it wasn't in anything. So, you know, we know how to break them free. Got nothing to lose. So anyway, watch for that coming. That'll be fun. We'll just probably make a project of that at some point. I don't know that I'm going to do it like I did the Golden Mullet, where I did that over 3 months. But we'll see. Anyway, motor stuck. Okay, well, that's going to do it for this one. It's progress. I didn't know that I was going to use this motor anyway, but I thought if it ran and ran decent, why not? We can throw a small block in it. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll find a 12 valve with an NV4500. We can just build our dream. I do have the diesel core support sitting right over there, so we got nothing but time on it. It's no big deal. I just wanted to make the truck so I could roll it around. That was the most important thing right now. Thanks for joining me in my insanity. I appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. We have channel memberships for as little as $5 a month or something like that. We have new merchandise coming soon. And one more thing, I think it's important. You should too.